Today, we're going to talk about the AVIA swimming pool heater and how to wire that for remote or automation purposes. Let's go take a look.
First, remove power from the unit by turning off the switch at the user interface or shutting off the breaker. Next, remove the lid by removing the thumb screws from both sides and lifting up and off. Once inside, locate the control board cover. Remove the 2 screws holding it on and lift the cover off, exposing the board. In the parts bag that came with the heater, you will find the 3-wire remote wire harness. The blue wire sends 24 volts out to the automation system relay. Voltage is returned to the board using one of the other 2 wires, orange for spa mode, black for pool mode. You will need 2 wires or a cable of 2 conductors long enough to reach the automation control. Attach one of the conductors to the blue wire. The other conductor will be attached to either the orange or the black wire. Either can be used. Choose one only and cap the other wire. After routing the cable into the cabinet, attach the wire harness to the board here at the 3-pin connector labeled 24 volt, spa, and pool. The other end of the extension wires should then be attached to the automation controller according to that manufacturer's instructions. Replace the board cover and heater lid, then return power to the board at the breaker or switch. Since we used the orange harness wire, which corresponds to the spa setting, we'll use the mode button to choose spa set and set the temperature all the way up to 104. Then hold the up and down arrows together until the display reads remote. The heater is now a follower of the automation system and will begin its heating cycle when the automation system closes the heater relay.